pati style ko, gusto niyong pag-usapan, ha? Pati buho ko, ay, bakit ako maya? Albo. I can say this again. It's a big of a deal sa inyo, eh. It's a big of a deal. My gosh. Pati buho ko pinag-uusawa. Pati, why would I talk to Trump, to Donald Trump? I wish, President Donald Trump, I wish you can hear this. I have no business with you. You are Republican, I'm a Democrat. Okay? I have no business with President Donald Trump. Why would you talk about that? Talk about yourself. My golly. I can say this again. If you guys like that a big deal, it's a big of a deal. Fuck you, FLM. That's a big of a deal. Right? It's a big of a deal to you guys. Fuck you, FLM. Period. It's a big of a deal sa inyo, eh. Inalaki nyo, big deal. I would say this again. Fuck you, FLM. Ginawa nyo big deal, eh. You make that a big of a deal. Kayo ang nagpapalaki. So, pinapalaki ninyo ang gulo. Right? I'm not hiding against the law. Hindi ako nakakulong. Ginagawa niyong big of a deal to, eh. Pinagtanggol ko, tapos ngayon, kung ano sasabihin ninyo. Kayong mga chismoso-chismosa. Di ba? You making this is a big of a deal. Go right ahead. Ginawa niyong big deal, eh. Nananahimik lang ako dahil sa mga... I try my best. Enough is enough about the pretension. I cannot pretend anymore. It is some big of a deal. Content nyo ito ulit. Parating nyo. I stand what I said. I stand what I said. It is a big of a deal sa inyo, eh. Bakit? Hindi nyo ako maapektuhan. Bakit? I did not do anything wrong against the law. Right? Pati buho ko, pati... Eto, tinatakloban kong tono ko dahil basag yan. I died because of my forehead. Eto, masakit lalamunan ko. I'm a cancer survivor. Cancer survivor. Sinabi ko na yan, I died 4 times. You're making this is a big deal, ha? I'm not ashamed for anything I do. Yeah. Magising kayo sa katotohanan. What is the truth is true. Pinagloloko nyo yung tao, eh. Mga manloloko sa tao. So, hindi maganda yung nanloloko sa kapwa. Hindi maganda. Hello, wala akong niloko. Nadamay nga ako sa panloloko ng pagpapaasa sa tao, di ba? So, pero, para din akong tanga, di ba? Pinaasa-asa yung tao, tapos ano nangyari? Di ba? Talk about yourself, how you become a prostitute. not talking about me. My head, there. Nobody can be like David, okay? Kung naiyabangan kayo sa akin, just so be it. Ginawa niyong big deal eh. Gusto niyo ng social media to have a content for your viewers. Diba? Ginawa niyong big of a deal. So, I'm not scared with no one. Why would I be? I stand my word. I stand every word I said. It is my responsibility. And why would I talk to President Donald Trump? What is my business? And who the hell I am to talk to President Donald Trump? I have no business with President Donald Trump. Who the hell I am? I'm not a Republican. And I have no business with anyone. Why would I talk to anyone that I have no business? I have no business about you, but you guys talk about me. Talk about yourself, how you become a prostitute. Man. Pati ba naman yung buhok ko? Pati itong, ang tawag dito, pati ito. I have 10 pieces of this. Para akala nyo, anak ng kamote. I'd rather be stand for the truth. Bakit ako mahihiya na wala akong buhok? Ito, buhok ko to. That's my normal. I could have a, and I don't deny I have a hair piece. I wear a long hair. I wear a lot of good hair, what I have. Kahit bata pa ako noon. Diba? Ano ikakahiya ko? Wala akong nilabag sa batas, hindi ako magnanakaw, hindi ako rapist. I don't talk bullshit. And I don't talk any other people without no business with me. I'll go after with the people who has business that such words. Right? Hindi ako nabubuhay para manghingi ng pera sa ibang tao. Tumutulong ako, binibigay ko yung pera ko, sarili kong pera sa iba para ako makatulong. Hindi ako nangihingi kung wala akong legality of foundation or organization to reach out somebody. Hey, man, there is a process, a grant writing to ask for help. Pati ba naman yung si Mystica, pag-uusapan nyo pa. Gusto nyo ipakita ko pa yung resibo kung magkano pinadala ko kay Mystica. There's no need. Why would I do that? I have my own way of life. So, you guys better back off. Back off. I'm not after you, but back off. Diba? I only can thank people who understand what is the truth. I only can talk people who believes what is the truth. I only entertain people who believes what is the truth and what is the reality of the truth. Right? So when you bang, when you realize something whatsoever, you have to keep a distance. And when you keep a distance, try to pursue, to be quiet, and set it aside. Right? Hey, I'm not ashamed kung panot na yung ulo ko. I'm not ashamed. Because I can put a hairpiece with the expensive hairpiece. I can put my bandana. I can put everything I want to do. I don't ask any single to anyone. Man. Man. Thank you so much to Lulu Ginaco, Irene Denisa, loves ko si Babes, Neil Avenido, Res Baker, Rosalie Bohos, and thank you so much for the people who understand what is the truth. Thank you so much to everyone, Dakel Gabina, Milita Quilates, Shelly Zapanta Garcia, Japanesa Bolt, Jasmine Peralta, Edith Menor, Edith Gargar, Dinga Yoso Lage, Tess Valerio. Thank you to everyone from the Y to all the Middle East. Ipaglaban lang ninyo ang karapatan at katotohanan. Kabutihan ay mananaig ang isang katotohanan. I'm an old man. I'm an old man, but I can still kick. Wala akong inargabyadong tao. Kaya bago kayo magsalita, para na rin kayong para na rin kayo yung mga taong, bago kayo magsalita sa kapwa ninyo, tingnan muna rin nyo sarili ninyo. Just look at yourself to your own mirror. And you can tell yourself who you are and what you are. Right? Don't be so nosy. You know who you are, you know what yourself, and you know what is your capability and your ability to yourself who you are. Right? Nobody can scare of me. Hindi pa pinanganak ang pwedeng tumakot sa akin. Wala pa. Wala pang pwedeng tumakot kay David Ilagan. Yeah, I'm not hiding. My name is David. You, but hey, I stand my word. You're making it a big of a deal. You're making it big of a deal. So be it, right? Wow. Yan lang. Thank you so much to Lulu Ginaco, Irene Denisa, loves ko si Babes nila Benido, at kay Res Baker. Thank you so much sa inyong patuloy na pagsuporta sa isang kabutihan. At maraming salamat sa inyo. At sana naman, kung yung mga may galit sa akin, okay lang po yun, magalit po kayo. At yan po'y karapatan po ninyo yan. Dahil karapatan pantao din po. Ang isang tao ay may karapatan din pong magalit. Isa din pong karapatan niya ng isang tao. Dahil kasama yan sa karapatan pantao na magalit ka kung mayroong kahulugan ng iyong ikinagagalit. Dahil lang hello, Ferdinand de los Reyes. Thank you so much, Ferdinand de los Reyes. Thank you so much to Paul D. Perez, Donna Milan Hill. Donna Milan Hill, thank you. Thank you so much to Pastor Jam. Thank you so much sa nanay mo. Thank you so much sa mga taong naniniwala sa katotohanan. So, kung ano lang po yung katotohanan, magising po tayo sa isang katotohanan. Hindi po natin pwedeng ipagpatuloy ang isang mali na pati po kayo ay makukonsensya. Hindi, may sarili po tayong kanya-kanyang pag-iisip. Ating po liwanagin. Hello? Hello? Okay. I need to go. Ilan po, maraming salamat po sa inyo. At ilang, pinag-uusapan po ninyo yung buho ko, eto po ako, kalbo. Hindi po ako nahiyang isang kalbo. Hindi rin po ako nahiyang isang cancer survivor. Hindi rin po ako nahiyang namatay na ako ng 4 na beses. Hindi po ako nahihiyang kalbo ako. Wala pong dapat ikahiyan ako'y kalbo. Maraming salamat, Lolo Ginaco, Irene Denisa, loves ko si Babes, Neil Abinido, Res Baker, at sa amin executive, producer, Angela Dinero, thank you so much. At Sigaw Lehitimo, thank you so much. AC Sigaw, Rocky Rodza, Boss Bakal, thank you so much. God bless you all. Jasmine Peralta, Japanesa Bolt, Tiger Army, and Mar Batigas, thank you so much, Mar Batigas. Celi Zapanta Garcia, Dakel Gabina, Milita Quilates, Edith ilan po, maraming salamat po, thank you. At papalam na po ako. Hello, who's this? Thank you so much, thank you. Papalam na po ako at nang sandali lang. Papalam na po ako at maraming salamat po. David Dilagan po ako. Kung kayo po'y galit sa akin, wala po akong problema. Mahal ko po lahat ng bawat isang Pilipino saan man sa mundo. Maraming salamat po. Isa po akong David Dilagan, kalbo. Hindi po ako nahihiyang kalbo ako. Maraming salamat po.